Welcome to Tulla Maths YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel you'll find many videos which are geared to help you with your Junior Cert Maths, which is now the Junior Cycle, and also Leaving Cert Maths. If you have a look around our channel, you will hopefully see the video you need to help you with your maths course. We have videos geared towards Leaving Cert Maths and the Junior Cert Cycle. If you have a look at our playlists, we've broken them up into specific folders. So you have your Leaving Cert 2021 solutions, mock paper solutions, some use of calculator. There's 8 or 9 videos there on how to use the calculator correctly. We've also done out all your Leaving Cert and Junior Cycle constructions, step by step. And we've also broken up our 2 folders here, Junior Cycle and Leaving Certificate Maths. So if you go into any of those playlists, you have step-by-step videos on many topics. So we'll just pick one here on simultaneous equations with 3 variables. And we'll fast forward, you can see going through step by step on how to carry out simultaneous equations with 3 variables. So I really hope you find our channel of some use to your maths course, and if you have any queries, leave a message in any one of the videos or in the discussion center here on our YouTube channel. Feel free to ask for specific topics, or if you have any particular queries you'd like to ask. We're a channel that's growing, so the more videos we do, the better it is for you. So please let us know which topics you want us to cover. So thanks very much for watching the short video. All I can ask at this stage is to please, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Many ways you can subscribe. It's free. Up the top of the page you can hit subscribe now, or when you're watching a video, hit subscribe. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this short video. Best of luck with all your studies.